How to fix UseNeXT for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall UseNeXT on a Mac, you can follow these steps. Quit the UseNeXT application if it is currently running. Open the Applications folder and drag the UseNeXT application to the trash. Open the Library folder. In your user directory, hold down the Option key and select Go Library from the Finder menu, and delete the following files: /library/application support /usenext/library/preferences /de.usenext.mac.plist. Empty the trash. Alternatively, you can use a script file to uninstall UseNeXT on a Mac. Here is a sample script file that you can use: #bin/bash. #uninstall UseNeXT, #stop UseNeXT processes, killall UseNeXT2/dev/null, #remove UseNeXT and its files, rmrf/application/usenext.app, rmrf/library/application \support /usenext, rmrf/library/preferences /de.usenext.mac.plist. Save the script file with a.sh extension, example uninstall_usenext.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal: mod +x uninstall_usenext.sh. Then, you can run the script file by navigating to its directory in terminal and running the following command: /uninstall_usenext.sh. Note that this script will delete all UseNeXT files and settings, so make sure to back up any important data before running the script. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.